Alright friends, you can read that Mo Mummy August 2nd. And we are here for those kind of things right there, you know? Yeah, Mr. Mummy, come on down. Okay. It is, what day is today? Friday. So, let's celebrate TGIF with some Mo Mummy bonuses. I would like to have willed it in right there, but not yet. Hello, Cleo. Oh yeah. Excuse me? Is that legal? Can someone tell me if that was, you know, legal? Okay, well. If that was illegal, then that one was something else, and he was right up there again. Yeah, okay. Hello now. Hello now. That was, you know, this little mummy right here can be very tricky, as we know. Yeah, now they're coming in. Now they're coming in, huh? So a couple at 5. That would have been nice if it... 2 more? Oh yeah, here. Oh. That was not cool. How much is the minor? Minor is 150. That would have been a crazy trigger right there. That's end of summer crazy mummy. Top right. Top right was. Alright. How many more? How many more until we are victorious? Okay, the gems are coming in. Kitties? Nope. Okay. How many, was that 2 cash collects? Back to back, huh? Back to back. Teasing. There he was again. Let's see a haywire. That, jackpot feature looks good. You know the name of the game. Literally, figuratively. Come on, Mr. Bunny. We're seeing these jackpots. But will we see what we want to see? He keeps running off the screen right there. I don't know where he's going. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go. Green, please. Big green. Let's see that huge green that we saw last time. Oh, here it is, green. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Okay. Oh yeah. Haywire, we just asked for it, and here it is. Let it be great. Oh, Charlie. 5 cent denom, 250 lucky bet. It says good luck. Doesn't mean it though. What do you know? What was that? Someone explain to me what that one was. Mr. Mummy, you know? We go way back. Okay. 3 for 3 seems very feasible. Okay. 3 for 2 seems, you know. Drop that minor ball again, why not? Okay. 2 for 1 special. I don't want to talk about it. That was definitely a slow clapper, for sure. Yeah. Not even getting past that first page. You know? Excited to see a haywire, but less excited afterwards. When you finally get those bonuses and you get the green, it's like, oh yeah, finally. You know how it feels, that anticipation right before What can it be? What, none of those lined up? That didn't line up? What? Can someone tell me what that was? Okay. I mean, that was weird. Okay, that lined up. Oh my. Huh. So I don't know, this game, like, should we switch denoms? Do it again. We've gotten it where it's so hot and it pops on the same denom, same bet. But it is hard. That was crazy. Yes, $50 mini to start, baby. Let's go with another one. I like how it didn't make us wait any. I like that a lot, Mr. Mummy. There you are. Okay, triggering on a $50 mini. Let's make this magnificent. You know, let's get past that first page, that's for sure. Mo Mummy, you know where we are, Las Vegas, August 2nd. The dog days of summer. Let's go. This is gonna be a bigger school, right? Because of that, it's gonna be a bigger school, right? That's a good start. Okay, oh my god, another mini. Double trouble. Double minis, huh? That's pretty big to start. I really like that. Let's go. I mean, with these... Oh, dude, I have never seen that before in my life. 3 minis in a row. It triggered on a mini, and then the 2 other coins, the 2 other gems were minis. We're already at over $150. I like this very much. Green. Oh my god, another mini. Oh, another mini was right over there. Okay, let's not end this, Mr. Mummy. Let's get past that first page. Yes. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh goodness. Oh, whoa, 3. That was above average. I mean, I've never seen that. Another mini showed up too. That was absolutely craziness. Wow. Okay, I'm liking this over. Obviously, I'm liking it. When you get this bonus, it's so exciting. But when it actually comes, plan comes to fruition, I forget how to speak sometimes. Okay, go. All right, one more. One more, and we got this, people. Let's get past this second page. These numbers look good. It's worth a lot. No. Oh my goodness. Okay. Everyone focus. Everyone send your energy. No. Okay, we did it. And we got some, you know, some extra money in there. Guys, this is turning out to be a glorious bonus. This is always my favorite page. Everyone always likes to get to that last page. I kind of like this page because it always, I just feel like the biggest things come at the end. It's about the journey, not the destination. When you get to the very end, sometimes it just gives you like 2 little ones. I get the big ones right before. Okay, well, what did I just say? How did that fall out there? Okay, let's go. Let's get another mini, why not? Okay. Well, it didn't want to go past this page, but we really appreciate that, guys. That is a 100x bonus. 5,000 nickels. We like that very, very, very much. We appreciate it, Mr. Mummy. Mo Mummy, Las Vegas. I think there's gonna be a concert out there. Oh, sorry. Is there a concert out there? I don't know. But we're making music in here, beautiful music, and we appreciate this bonus. We appreciate this Mummy on a lovely Friday. Thank you all. Look at that. Exactly beautiful. Exactly beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now, wasn't that a beautiful trigger? Right away too, so we don't have to sweat it out. And then I've never seen that before. 3 minis in a row. 3 $50 minis in a row. Usually if you get like that little jackpot feature, you'll get the mini, but when you get it in a cash collect on this bigger bet or on this bigger denomination, we love it. There's a couple of backup spins. Keep going. Oh. Oh my god. That would be ridiculous. Okay, we're gonna take this and we're gonna run because it's gonna suck us in, and I don't want to get sucked in. I'm trying to get some food, and that was a beautiful bonus right there, because we were down. We didn't want to have to put in more money and get into this craziness where you're like, okay, you know how we are. You don't want to chase losses. You don't want to get this mummy to do things he doesn't want to do. But if he wants to do that, we take it, and we're gonna run. But thank you, Mr. Mummy. We'll put in some other footage from one of our favorite videos that we recently made that I haven't put up yet, maybe. And thank you guys for watching. Mr. Mummy was nice to us today. 3 minis in a row. I've never seen that before, and we will gladly take that and lock up this win. Remember, don't give it back to the casino. This game is crazy. It's not like, Dragon Link where you get back-to-back-to-backs, But we did get 2 cash collects, but it took some work. And thank you for watching. All right, people, here we are. Mo Mummy at the Luxor, Las Vegas. You can't see it, but we're in a big pyramid, and here's a big pyramid. So let us win a lot of money. Right, it's only fitting if we're in a big pyramid that we can have a home field advantage on Mo Mummy. I think it's just correct math, right? Come on, they're all very big. Let's go. Where's our big pyramid energy? We need that big pyramid energy, come on. Oh yeah? Come on, Mr. Mummy. Nope. Are you gonna do something for us? You're just gonna put your cool hat on? The first time playing at the Luxor, and we're like the first game we have to actually play is Mo Mummy. First of all, it's one of our favorite games. Second of all, we're in a pyramid. Since we're in a pyramid, we think we have an advantage, right? Or not, who knows? Oops. Oh, he was up there. I saw him, now he's over there. Where are you going? Can we do this? Yes? No. Oh, he was up there again. He keeps wanting to show his face. Oops. That's not a line. It's not real ways, I guess. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we just keep changing our bet. Yes? No? Well, the pyramid luck is not, unless the pyramid luck is not a thing yet. Unless, that would have been a good time to hit it. Oh, I've never popped it with 2. That would have been crazy. That would have been a good time. Of course, stating the obvious. Okay. Mr. Mummy, come on. Okay, so far the home field advantage until is not a thing. Wild Wild West. We want our mini, so please give us that jackpot bonus. Oh, he was right up there too. Oh, come on. I'm just gonna wait for 10 minutes, see if it doesn't want to do it. Just in case. Yes. No. Come on, Mr. Mummy. I thought we'd go way back. And we're at your home court. Can we get an iced coffee with a little bit of sugar, please? Thank you. Two, sorry, yes. 2 iced coffees, sugar, thank you. Okay, got the iced coffee ordered, but we need to order up some wins on this. Let's see. What's the minimum on this? Yeah, I'll try that. Yeah, try that one. I think you should. Everything went by, but nothing hit. Come on, Mr. Mummy. Oh, he was up there. Hello? Yes? No. Come on. Hello? Okay. All right. Mr. Mummy, come on. Oh, something's happening. Please be green. Oh, it's gonna be the jackpot, I think. Oh, yeah. It's a good line hit, too, with it. So let's get our mini. We got the jackpot shaky feature. We wanted the... Actually, I hate free games, so I'd rather have the jackpot, I think, than free games. But in free games, you can hit the cash collect, so... You wanna see? You wanna see the mini? Oh my god, it takes like so long for it to start ringing. What is that? Let's see if we can recoup some of our money, people. Okay. Hello. Okay. Grand, yes. Oh, then... What is that? Oh, I got the maxi! $300 almost, yes! I didn't even know what I was picking. I didn't even know what the heck I was picking, okay? That's actually the progressive that I saw when I was like, I'm gonna get that maxi. I was thought in my head when I walked over. That's a good one. All right, thank you, Mr. Mummy. I guess the home field advantage, the home field advantage at the Luxor. We're in a pyramid, we're winning money from a pyramid. All of the things that are awesome. All right, thank you, Mr. Mummy. We appreciate it. All right, 290. So 11 backup spins like before? Yeah. 11 backups, and we got a good line hit too, so 1. Oh. Do that now, huh? 2. 3. There's a chance, there's 3 chances. Okay, the wrong one, but I like that one too. You silly goose, come on, pop it though. That was 3, right? So 4. 5. 6. Yes. 7. 8. Number 9. Okay, 10. Still do it though? Oh, Mr. Mummy, and then number 11. Sando. All right, we appreciate it. That was a good one. So far, so good. Mo Mummy inside of a temple. We like it so far. We'll see you in the next one, people.